Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, our first project today is by Maddie in 214, and it's on the Bermuda Triangle. So, boys and girls that love geography will definitely love this project. So, the Bermuda Triangle is a space in the Atlantic Ocean between Miami, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. Now, Bermuda is an island, so is Puerto Rico. It's an area of the Atlantic Ocean where strange things have happened in the past. So, boats that have disappeared, or maybe a plane that disappeared. And so, what Maddie did was give all of the different things that have happened in the Bermuda Triangle in a timeline sort of at the bottom, and gives us fun facts about the Bermuda Triangle. For example, it's 500,000 square miles. And because of where it's located and the weather, it's a very rough part of the sea. So, let's see. So, before there was radar like we have now, and we could track things where there would be ships and things that would go missing, and it was believed to be in this general area. What else did he say? But again, back in the day, a long time ago, we didn't have forecasts for the weather like we do now. And so if ships set a sail, they went out to sea and they were hit by a storm, well, that would be a problem. And they wouldn't know for sure because they didn't have what we have now, like things like Doppler radar, and to know what the weather will be in a few days, maybe even in a week. Anyhow, that is awesome, Maddie. Then we have some math by Lucia Gomez in room 126, working on times tables, first grade. 4 times 4, that's 4 times 4, 8, 12, 16. She knew that. And also some addition. For example, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4 would be 2 times 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, or 4 2 times. And then we have Valerie Devera Suarez. Check this out. This is awesome. I mean, that is amazing. I wish I had this kind of skill. That is awesome. All right. And now it's time for our Wordle. So I had only one response. Hope got the mystery number, but I didn't have any responses for the Wordle. Now that could be because one of the videos didn't post and whatever. But this word for the week is mistakes. Now last week we had accident. Accidents and mistakes are not the same. And I'll get to that in a second. Our mystery number was 15. Remember, I said it's 2 odd digits. The first one was smaller than the second. So this one is greater. This one is less than. And this was 3 letters and this was 4 letters. Okay. So mistakes. What is a mistake? A mistake is usually from being either distracted or maybe sometimes even sloppy. So if I almost just did it there. I started to make my 5. I started doing this, and that would have looked like not a number 5. And then somebody else would not have been able to read this properly, even me. So later on, I would try to read this and I might make a mistake and read it wrong because it was written poorly. So a lot of times we make mistakes in our work because maybe we don't line our numbers up properly. Maybe we write too quickly and so our words aren't able to be read by others. Those are mistakes, different than an accident. An accident is something where you just bump into somebody, you didn't see them, you quickly say, I'm sorry. So, a lot of times, mistakes are something that we do to ourselves. Okay. And we're going to keep working on the difference between mistakes and accidents. And then next week we have another word to look at. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day today is a shout out to Kayla in Kaylin in room 224, who after school today, Miss Kay turned this in, which is apropos. Kaylin saw that there was a younger child who couldn't find their bus, and Kaylin made sure that that child got to their bus, which was 58. Super mighty kind. And of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.